Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy updo hairstyle on fine hair. To start, divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip that front section out of the way for later. Then repeat on the opposite side. Add some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gather up the hair into a high ponytail. Make a hole from left to right behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a sideways twist. Next, apply some wax spray all over the hair. This will help with flyaways and provide a little bit of hold. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown for some more volume. Now to get your ponytail nice and voluminous, I'm going to add some of this volume powder throughout the ponytail. Again, everything will be listed below. Then, using a fork comb or a wide tooth comb, gently back comb the entire ponytail. Then just smooth out the very top layers so you can't see the back combing. Loosely twist that ponytail in one direction all the way to the end, and then use your fingers to pull out a few pieces of hair from the ponytail to leave hanging down. Take the end of the ponytail, bring it up and over the top to the opposite side. Then just hold to the head and secure that little bun with a few bobby pins. Release those side sections and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. With the rest of the hair, just give this a couple of twists towards the head. Hold it to the side of the bun, leaving the ends out and secure with a bobby pin or two. Repeat on the opposite side, so leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Twist the rest of the hair towards the head and secure at the side of the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.